Hello everybody, this is Keith here, K.C. Design Concepts, Chief Engineer of Hyde Motorworks. Got my hat crooked. Yeah, I'm out driving the 2002 745 Li. It's running good. Figure I'd pull over and just shoot a quick little video of driving down the road. Like I said, it's still a very rough proof of concept prototype is what I have on here. And I do have a leaky injector. Got to replace that. So it's got a little bit of a funny idle, but other than that, it runs pretty good. And she gets up pretty good. That was about 5 pounds of boost. I have it turned way down because the tuning is not done. So factory ECU, factory injectors, so it definitely needs a little work. But other than that, I mean, it runs and drives like it did before. It just, it takes off a lot faster. And this is the Li, so it's the extended wheelbase. Big old boat. Can't reach the back seat, which is good. Shouldn't be reaching to the back seat when you're driving anyway. But other than that, I do have a downstream O2 sensor that keeps giving me a fault code. Surprisingly, no other codes from the ECU. I still have the factory map sensor in there. Well, it's in the new Black Kaiser intake manifold. And the ECU doesn't seem to have a problem with registering boost. Kind of wish I could have turned the camera around while I was driving, but I mean, for a little 4.4 liter V8 and 5 pounds of boost, it definitely makes a difference in how it runs. Of course, this thing has, all kinds of lights lit up. The ABS is out. There's dynamic stability control. The hood. I have the hood sensor plugged in, but it's not attached to anything right now. So I'm still working out some different details. But other than that, transmission shifts exactly the way it's supposed to. It drives, and actually, other than stepping on the gas, the gas mileage is exactly the same as it was before. Okay, that's a quick little video.